This is our 600 watts aeration compressor with stainless steel outer case. It uses explosion-proof capacitors. Will be safer. We install the axial fan under the compressor, facing the motor, so that the compressor motor can be cooled and dissipated more fully. It can connect to 6 diffusers at the same time, suitable for pond sizes within 3 acres. The aerator is extremely durable and can operate in any weather conditions. Our aeration system is maintenance-free, and the noise only 50 decibels. Our products have a 2 years warranty. If you are interested in it, please contact us to get the detailed catalog.